In the previous video, I showed you how you can create Google Merchant Center account and link uh, and create a Google Ads account inside the Google Merchant Center and link it with Google AdMob. And I told you that you had to wait for 24 hours. As you can see, this is our pattern. You have to follow it strictly. Okay. That means that we were in last video we were on the day 3, and here we have created Google Merchant Center, and then we have to leave it for 24 hours. Okay. And in these 24 hours, you have to do random surfing, watching YouTube videos, make sure you are connected with the proxy. Now we are on the day 4, and on day 4, you had to create Google Sites and Google Analytics, and we had to link it with Google Merchant Center again. Now let's start this one. Okay, this is my multi login. Open it. Go to sites dot google.com. Now we are on the Google Sites main page. Now here choose any template, because we are not going to code or we are not going to create an actual site. Just some we have to just random things we have to do here. Okay. So Google Sites is opening right now. Okay. So here first of all you can, here it's written in French language. Here you can okay, just first of all go and you can enter this name here. Okay. Okay, now here go click on this, and here you can put any random number, sorry, not number, you can put any random images here. Okay, and here in this email address section you can put this one here. Okay, so make sure it's try to make it a good size of the text. Okay, click on here, click on image, click on this button here, enter anything, like try to search anything, like I will enter laptop. Okay, and let's see. Now select any image, like I will choose this one, click on insert. Okay, so image is here, put it here. Let's enlarge it. Okay, if you are expert in Google Sites, you can create a good website. It will make you good, it will make it good more. Now try to click on publish. You have to make some slight changes here. Okay, and here put any random name, like cancel it. Wait a second. So click on here, go here, copy the name, copy, click on publish. Okay, put it here, check if it is available, click on publish. Okay, so we have published our site. Now what we have to do is we have to go to the Google Analytics. So for that we have to go to analytics dot google.com. So this is Google Analytics page. Click on continue. Now put your name here. Okay, click on continue. Now enter your site name. Okay, so you have to put your yeah, here of your site name. Okay, here choose your country as France. Okay, and your currency as euro, because euro is the currency of France. Next, choose the first one, then check all these except the last one. Click on next, click tick on check this again, and accept. Now accept all these four here, click on register. Now close this one, click on web. Now go back to the Google Sites, click on this button, link will be copied, copy your link, go back to Google Analytics, paste it here, remove the HTTPS and the colon and slash. Now view set, now copy this one, this part. Okay, cut it, remove it, paste it here, click on this one. Okay, wait for some time, about 5 or 10 seconds. Now it will give you an ID like this one. Okay, just copy it, go back to the Google Sites, go to settings, go click on this button and put the ID here, close it. Now we are linked with Google Analytics and Google Sites. We are done. Close this and again close this. Now go to Google Merchant Center. Go to Google Sites again. Okay, because I have to take the Google's. I have to take the site's address from it and link it with Google Merchant Center. Go to Google Merchant Center. I copy the link. Copy it. Go back. Click on continue. Here, click on the fourth one. Then click on the second one. Then after that, go to this one. Click on continue. Continue again. As you know, in the last part we completed first two steps, this and this. Now coming to the second one, paste your website here, click on continue. It will automatically verify it because we have verified our website using Google Analytics, so it will automatically verify it. You can see it's done now. If you do not use the Google Analytics, it will not validate it. Now click on continue. Okay, now here select your country France and currency euro, click on next. In the next page, enter 10, then enter 30, then choose the first one, then enter 10, 20, choose the first one, click on this. Now click on register. So it will complete our third step as well. Continue. Now this is the all thing we have to do. Okay. Now what we have to do, we are done with Google Merchant. We have linked with Google Sites with Google Merchant. We created Google Sites. We have set up Google Analytics as well. So let's get back to our pattern that on the day 4 we have created Google Sites, Google Analytics as well, and we have linked it with Google Merchant Center. So we have completed this part. Now what we have to do, we have to leave it again for 24 hours. Okay. So if I go back to my pattern, you can see on the first day we created a mail, and after 6 hours we created business profile. On day 2 we created Google AdMob and we left it for 24 hours. And in these 24 hours we used this mail in different Google services like YouTube, Google Drive, Google websites, or different things we surfed, and we stored cookies in these 24 hours. So and on day 3 we created Google Merchant Center, and then we left the account again for 24 hours. And in these 24 hours, that's the next 24 hours, we started watching YouTube videos, some movies, some websites, but make sure we are connected with the proxy. Okay. On day 4 we created Google Sites and Google Analytics, and we linked it with Google Merchant Center. Now we have left the account again for 24 hours. That means we have completed 4 days of our course. Okay. Now on the fifth day, what we have to do, we have to open our browser profile every 6 hours. That means you have to, in 24 hours you have to open your account 4 times, and you have to do some random surfing, watching movies, watching news, signing up for newsletters, watching YouTube videos for about 1 hour. That means you have to spend 1 hour in 6 hours. That means 4 hours in 24 hours. Okay. Every 6 hours you have to open browser profile and you have to surf, you have to spend 1 hour on it. Okay. On day 6th you have to repeat the same process, that is this one. Open your browser profile and every 6 hours and do some random surfing, watch movies, sign up for newsletters. Okay. Now on the day 7th you have to repeat the same process, that is this one. Okay. Now on the day 8th we have to add the link. Okay. Now let's close this query part and we will join in the next query part.